International Yoga Day. Introduction. 21st June is recognized as the International Yoga Day by the United Nations. It was first observed in 2015. The idea behind the observance of this day is to raise a global awareness of the several benefits of yoga. The practice of yoga finds its origin in India. Yoga is a Sanskrit word that means to join or unite, symbolizing the union of the body and consciousness. Yoga versus gym. Benefits of yoga. Therapeutic and de-stresses the mind and body. Easy to pick up for beginners. Requires just a yoga mat. Improves joint flexibility and mobility. Stimulates positive thinking and mental relaxation. Benefits of working out at gym. Boosts your blood circulation and purges toxins from the blood. Burns plenty of calories and helps you lose weight. Stresses your body and pushes it to perform at higher limits. Keeps you healthy and disciplined and prevents the onset of several medical conditions. History and significance. What is the history of World Yoga Day? On 27 September 2014, during a UN General Assembly meeting, Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi spoke about the invaluable gift of yoga that ancient Indian tradition has given to the world. In a very impactful and convincing speech, the Prime Minister laid emphasis on the fact that yoga would help in bringing harmony between man and nature. The initiative was appreciated and the proposal to designate 21st June as International Yoga Day was decided by 193 members of the UN General Assembly on 11th December 2014. The Yoga Day proposal was supported by more than 170 countries. The following year, World Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June for the first time. Approximately 35,000 people from all over the world participated in the mass yoga session, lasted approximately 35 minutes and 21 yoga mudras were practiced during the session. Why is the International Day of Yoga celebrated specifically on 21st June? Many of us wonder what is so special about 21st June that it is designated as World Yoga Day. We all know that 21st June is the longest day of the summer solstice in Northern Hemisphere, or in other words, this is the time of the year when the sun moves from north to south. It is also one of the two important days when the rays of the sun fall directly on either of the two tropical latitude lines. It is believed that this change brings a significant impact on people. According to yoga gurus, this transition period is a good time to practice yoga. Another significant reason for choosing this day is that on this day, Adi Yogi, the first known yogi, embarked upon a journey towards the south with 7 royal sages. These sages later became Adi Yogi's first disciples and also helped in propagating the importance of yoga in other parts of the world. Objectives of International Yoga Day. To introduce people the art of meditation, one of the many practices for channelizing energies of our body and mind. To help people of the world understand and know the many benefits of yoga in healing the mind, body, and soul. To help people make a connection or be in sync with nature and their natural surroundings, which we tend to forego while tending to our never ending work or personal demands. To help various communities to come forward and spend a day which is specifically dedicated to embracing the importance of health and well being. To help people get over or fight various medical issues by practicing regular yoga. To help people know the benefits of yoga in maintaining higher levels of physical, mental, and spiritual health. To help people adopt a healthy lifestyle and habits and let go of unhealthy practices. How is Yoga Day celebrated? In India and also many parts of the world, International Yoga Day is celebrated with full spirit and enthusiasm. There are many yoga camps, seminars, training programs, workshops, etc. that are organized by government and non-government organizations at mass levels. It is a common practice for people to gather in large groups in a park or ground and practice yoga mudras or asanas. Lectures and talks are also organized to spread the importance and significance of practicing yoga in our day to day lives. Many yoga gurus and trainers also hold various kinds of training programs or sessions across the country. Thank you.